isang malaking balita ngayon ay yung request ng company former President Rodrigo Duterte diyan po sa ICC para mabigyan siya ng interim release. Okay, of course, these are among the remedies or options available to the former president. Pero what do you think of the likelihood that this might be granted? Tapos interim release in a third country, third party.
Yes, ang interim release is granted if there is no flight risk. And it was granted in a case where the accused voluntarily surrendered to the ICC. So walang flight risk talaga kasi you voluntarily surrendered. So pinayagan, binigyan ng interim release. Pero si Duterte, former President Duterte, didn't voluntarily surrender. Lumaban siya. In fact, ayaw niya. So, yun, there could be a flight risk. No? Second, he has the means to flee. Madali lang siya kumuha ng airplane, private airplane. Ang dami naman niyang kaibigan may aeroplano. Second, yung problema dyan sa interim release, dapat he should not be able to influence the witnesses. Pag na-release mo yan, he will talk to people, baka they will harass all the witnesses and the complainants, yung private complainants, yung families of the victims. So you have to protect also the witnesses and the victims, no? So he will be able to talk to, ang dami niya pang followers. Meron pa siyang DDS gun. So I think it will strike fear in the eyes of the witnesses and in the victims who have complained. No? So that has to be considered. Kasi he could influence them or threaten them. Ang dami niyang mga tao. Even now, if you go to social media, his followers threaten.
Yeah. O nga, tama, Justice, no? Hindi naman kailangan directly siya yung mag-threaten sa witnesses. So, pwede niyang inflame yung supporters niya, yung mga loyalista niya, and then they would do the job for him.
Yeah. Or he can now talk to people kasi nasa labas na siya, although he's within, let's say, a country. Pero he has the means now to communicate to his followers in the Philippines anong gagawin nila.
So, ganyan ba?
That will have to be considered. At saka remember, when he was president, he was the one who said, we are not bound by ICC because the treaty was not published. And secondly, sinabi niya, I withdraw. Winidraw niya. And hindi lang withdraw when the ICC wanted to send their investigators here, he threatened them.
Yeah.
So here is a person who does not recognize the jurisdiction of ICC kasi they question the jurisdiction. He was the one who withdrew the Philippines from membership in the ICC. And he threatened the ICC investigators if they come to the Philippines. So are you going to give him interim release? I think that you will not. All these circumstances. So I think we have to make this known that these are real concerns.